feeling constantly drained, no matter how much rest there seems to be? Fatigue has become a modern epidemic, leaving millions struggling to keep up with daily demands. It's not just about feeling tired. Fatigue affects productivity, mental clarity, and even relationships. You've most likely experienced those sluggish mornings where energy feels impossible to summon, even after a full night's sleep. In today's fast-paced world, the causes of fatigue are everywhere. Irregular sleep schedules, poor diet, stress, and lack of movement all combine to drain energy reserves. To make matters worse, reliance on quick fixes like caffeine or sugary snacks can lead to short-term energy spikes but long-term crashes. This issue matters because energy is at the core of living a fulfilled, productive life. This video explores 5 proven, science-backed strategies to tackle fatigue at its root. Stick around to discover practical tips that can transform daily routines, restore energy levels, and help regain control over physical and mental well-being. Improving sleep quality is one of the most effective ways to combat fatigue. Sleep directly impacts energy levels, and even slight disruptions can leave the body feeling drained. Dr. Matthew Walker, a leading sleep scientist, emphasizes the importance of consistency in sleep schedules. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily helps regulate the circadian rhythm, ensuring the body receives optimal rest. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is equally crucial. A dark, quiet, and cool room signals the brain to release melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Blackout curtains, white noise machines, and setting the thermostat to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit can significantly improve sleep quality. Avoiding stimulants in the evening is another key factor. Caffeine stays in the system for hours, potentially disrupting deep sleep stages. Similarly, screen time before bed suppresses melatonin production, delaying the onset of sleep. A helpful life hack is establishing a wind-down routine, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques instead of scrolling on devices. Statistics reveal the impact of poor sleep on fatigue. The CDC reports that 1 in 3 adults doesn't get enough sleep, contributing to widespread tiredness. By addressing these habits, anyone can enjoy better rest and higher energy levels. How do you like the idea of waking up refreshed every day? By sticking to a consistent schedule, creating a sleep-friendly environment, and reducing evening stimulants, better sleep becomes achievable, laying the foundation for sustained energy throughout the day. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in combating fatigue. The food consumed directly affects energy levels, with balanced meals providing the foundation for sustained focus and activity. Balancing macronutrients, proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates ensures steady energy release. For instance, oatmeal with almond butter and berries provides long-lasting energy compared to sugary cereal, which causes a quick spike and crash. Hydration is equally important. Mild dehydration, even as little as 1 to 2% of body weight, can lead to fatigue and reduced cognitive performance, according to research published in the Journal of Nutrition. Drinking water consistently throughout the day helps maintain energy levels. A practical tip is to carry a reusable water bottle as a reminder to hydrate regularly. Avoiding sugar spikes is another essential strategy. Refined sugars cause blood sugar levels to rise rapidly, followed by a crash that leaves the body feeling sluggish. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits, nuts, and whole grains, which provide sustained energy without the crash. Consider this. The Mediterranean diet, known for its emphasis on whole foods and balanced meals, has been linked to higher energy levels and improved overall health. By adopting similar principles, anyone can fuel the body for peak performance. In light of these insights, optimizing nutrition is a simple yet powerful way to fight fatigue. Balanced meals, proper hydration, and minimizing sugar intake are practical steps toward restoring energy and vitality. Physical activity might seem counterintuitive when energy is low, but moving the body can significantly boost energy levels. Low-intensity exercise, such as walking or yoga, reduces fatigue by improving circulation and releasing endorphins. A study published in Psychotherapy and Psychosomatics found that just 20 minutes of light activity daily can increase energy by 20%. Cardio exercises, like jogging or cycling, take these benefits further. Aerobic activity improves oxygen flow throughout the body, enhancing alertness and focus. Even a quick 10-minute brisk walk can re-energize the body during midday slumps. A practical tip is to incorporate these activities into daily routines, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking during phone calls. Stretching and movement breaks are equally impactful, especially for those with sedentary lifestyles. Long periods of sitting can lead to lethargy and stiffness, but frequent breaks to stretch or perform light movements help maintain energy. The Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute movement break, is an effective way to integrate activity into busy schedules. Real-world examples highlight the power of exercise in restoring energy. Consider athletes who rely on structured activity not only to stay fit, but also to maintain high energy levels throughout the day. Similarly, incorporating regular physical activity into daily life ensures a steady flow of energy, reduced fatigue, and improved mental clarity. By staying active, energy reserves are replenished naturally, making fatigue a thing of the past. Stress is a significant contributor to fatigue, often draining mental and physical energy reserves. Elevated cortisol levels caused by chronic stress lead to feelings of exhaustion and burnout. Mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing can lower cortisol levels and restore energy. For example, just 10 minutes of meditation daily has been shown to reduce stress significantly, according to research by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn, a pioneer in mindfulness-based stress reduction. Setting boundaries is another essential strategy for managing stress. Overcommitting to tasks or responsibilities often leads to burnout, leaving little time for rest or relaxation. Learning to say no and prioritizing essential tasks prevents overloading and creates space for recovery. Engaging in hobbies or relaxing activities also provides a mental reset. Whether it's painting, gardening, or listening to music, dedicating time to enjoyable activities helps recharge mentally. A life hack is scheduling these activities into the week like any other priority, ensuring they don't get overlooked. By comparison, ignoring stress often leads to a vicious cycle of exhaustion and declining productivity. Nonetheless, incorporating mindfulness, boundaries, and hobbies into daily life breaks this cycle, fostering resilience and sustained energy. Taking restorative breaks throughout the day is an often overlooked way to combat fatigue. The Pomodoro technique, which alternates focused work intervals with short breaks, maintains productivity and prevents mental exhaustion. Research in the Journal of Applied Psychology found that workers using this method were more focused and energized compared to those who worked continuously. Power naps are another effective tool. A 10 to 20-minute nap can improve alertness without disrupting nighttime sleep. NASA conducted a study on pilots and found that short naps improve performance and reduce fatigue by up to 34%. A practical tip is to set an alarm for no more than 20 minutes to avoid entering deep sleep stages, which can cause grogginess. Stepping outside for fresh air provides an immediate energy boost. Exposure to natural light regulates circadian rhythms, while fresh air increases oxygen intake, revitalizing the body and mind. Combining this with light movement, such as walking, amplifies the benefits. In light of these methods, restorative breaks transform energy levels by recharging both body and mind. Integrating short breaks into daily routines prevents burnout, ensuring consistent productivity and focus. To overcome fatigue, small changes to daily habits can make a big difference. Start by improving sleep quality with consistent schedules, a calming bedtime routine, and a sleep-friendly environment. Optimize nutrition by balancing macronutrients, staying hydrated, and limiting sugar intake to maintain stable energy levels. Incorporate regular physical activity, from light stretching to cardio, to boost circulation and release endorphins. Manage stress through mindfulness practices, setting boundaries, and dedicating time to relaxing hobbies. Finally, integrate restorative breaks like power naps and the Pomodoro technique to recharge during busy days. Each of these strategies targets a specific fatigue contributor, creating a comprehensive approach to restoring energy. By combining these science-backed solutions, sustainable energy levels become achievable, helping tackle daily challenges with renewed focus and enthusiasm. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, these tips will help make fatigue a thing of the past. Remember, improving energy is a journey, and we're all in this together. Let's work on building healthier habits step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and share your progress or ideas in the comments below.